Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take this iMac 27, which is a 13.2, it's a 2012 iMac, and we're going to install OSX Monterey on it. We're starting off with High Sierra as a blank installation. We're going to first of all search for Open Core Patcher on Google. We're going to go Supported Models, then we're going to go to Download, and we're going to download the latest version. We're going to use the TUI and we're going to use the offline version. Well, that's nearly done. The reason I'm using the offline version is the internet here where I am is very slow, so I'm not reliant on the internet to do this patching once it's downloaded. So okay, then I'm going to clear that and close that. We're going to Finder, into Downloads, and there's our Open Core Patcher. Open, yes, I'm sure I want to open it. And there we go, that loads up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to press number 1. We're going to build the patcher. Next, we're going to install it onto our drive. Now the drive that we're using is number 4, the Cruiser Blade. We're going to install it to version 1, the EFI. Okay, there we go. That has now given us a USB stick that will install. I started off with a Install Mac OS Monterey USB that was made on another computer that was just bog standard, following the instructions on Apple's website. I'm not going to go into that. There's many tutorials on how to do that. Now before I go any further with this, I'm going to terminate that. I'm going to go to my installer and I'm going to put a copy of this on here so that once we reinstall it and wipe the drive, we've got it to do all the post operations. Once that's done, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to restart the computer and we're going to hold the Alt key down. This will bring us the boot picker up. We need to choose EFI on the boot picker, and then we need to choose Install OSX Monterey. So we're going to erase the drive. Okay, so that's done. We're going to close this down and we're going to go Install Monterey, as you would do when installing on any computer. Click Continue. We'll do the agrees with that. I'm going to put this onto my untitled drive. Click Continue and I will be back with you once this is installed. London, United Kingdom, that's close enough. And tick that. Continue. Continue. And that should set up the user account now. Put that on auto. And there we go. And hopefully that will log in now and give us our dual monitor output back again. Okay, so what's interesting is it doesn't support at this point the display output. So we will copy that into Documents. Right click, open. And there's the patch. So the first thing we need to do is build it because it's a new computer. Now we're going to install it to number 2. We want to go to our disk 0. We want to go to 1. Passwording. What that's done now is that's patched my boot drive. And we want to patch the system. Would you like to patch? Yes. And that's putting the drivers in for GeForce, which will get rid of all the juddery. And then we'll restart it and hopefully back on the screen capture. It's done. Press enter, quit, and then we'll just restart. Okay, so there we go, we're back, installed. This is the first boot. We've done this with the stick removed, and as we can see, there is my late 2012 3.4 quad core, all up and running. We've got everything available to us, like display brightness and everything, and all of the transparencies are running. Obviously we're limiting the display resolution at the moment because of there we go. And you know, there's no speed issues or anything with it. I'd say the internet here is slow, but you know, there we go, that's it up and running. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is going to help you setting up your own computers, showing you that it is quite a simple procedure to do. The updates will work on this. It will do all of the OSX updates on Monterey, and you know, it generally works, no problem. We've got another couple of these that we use on a daily basis in the office, just using them on the internet, and we've been running Photoshop on one without any difficulty. So you know, it's brilliant. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.